class is having only abstract methods. Okay, so that is called abstract class. So abstract class can have abstract methods as well as concrete methods. What is meant by concrete method then? A method, if a method is having implementation, that is known as concrete method. Okay, so if any class is having abstract methods and abstract concrete methods, that is known as abstract class. Okay, so in Java, abstraction is achievable with the help of these abstract classes and interfaces. Okay, so if you want to know, if you want to have some abstraction in your class, use abstract classes or interfaces. What is meant by interface then? See here, so Java interface is a collection of abstract methods. If a class is having only abstract methods, so that is known as an interface. Okay, so next one, can you create an object for an interface? You cannot create object for an interface, whereas you can create object classes. You can create instance variables, like you take student class, roll number, name are the instance variables, whereas interfaces, they will be having what? Final variables or constants. Okay, guys, see here. So in Python we have seen different types of data structures. Have you remembered that? In Python we have different types of data structures. List, what are those? List, tuple, set and dictionary. So these are some data structures that we have seen during Python. Have you remembered that? So what is meant by list? You tell. I will ask 10 questions for you finally. Okay, now they will let them answer. You forget? List is a collection of items. Okay, what is the difference between array and a list? Array and a list, we have seen array also. Okay, using NumPy we have seen array. Have you remembered that? Okay, so list can have different data types, whereas array is a collection of homogeneous items. Have you remembered that? Okay, so Python is having different data structures. Okay, and list follows, accessing the elements is followed on based on what? Index. Okay, so what is meant by tuple then? We have seen tuple also. 62. You tell. What is meant by tuple? Yes, difference between list and tuple in Python. Means? So while creating only, you have to give the all the values. So that is called tuple. Okay, you cannot alter a tuple. Okay, so list is represented with what? Square brackets, whereas tuples are represented with round brackets. What about set? Can a tuple have duplicate elements? Hello, you tell. See here, can a tuple have duplicate elements? No. Why? It can have duplicate elements. Okay, set won't allow duplication, but you can modify set elements. Okay, you can add, you can update your set elements. So set is a mutable data structure. Okay, whereas tuple immutable. During creation only you have to give all the values. That is called a tuple. What about dictionary then? So dictionary keeps last. Hello, what are you doing? Huh? First look here. What is meant by dictionary then? You tell. I am talking about Python, not about Java. What is meant by dictionary? So dictionary stores values, okay, based on key value pairs. Okay, it is going to have values, key and value pairs. Okay, keys are unique values, whereas values can have duplication. Okay, so those are some data structures that came across Python.